What's happening, guys? JET TILA here. Welcome to Cut and Cook. Today's iconic knife is a Japanese Yanagiba, or the sashimi knife, and the dish we're making with it is Nobu's classic Hamachi Tiradito. Let's do it. So this is the Japanese Yanagiba. It's a single edge knife specifically for sushi. I'm going to show you how to use it. So instead of the pinch grip, we're going to use the index finger on top of the spine. The secret to slicing sashimi is the knife must always be sliding back towards you. And that's how you're going to utilize that super sharp single edged knife. So the other knife work is cutting my serrano chilies. And because I have such a thin blade, it makes slicing pretty effortless. But remember, as long as you're moving the knife either forward or back, you're going to get razor sharp cuts. The last item I'm going to cut is separating the leaves from the actual stem of the cilantro. So to plate this, I'm just using a dish that has a little bit of length. Make sure there's a little gap in between each piece of fish. I'm taking a little bit of caviar. In this case, it's just a little masago. Of course, you gotta remind people there's a little bit of chili here. I'm gonna do ponzu sauce around and in between. A little bit of sesame oil for the little droplets and some flavor. And then finally, I'm just gonna garnish with cilantro. And you can plate this up any way you want. This is just how I'm feeling this moment. And this is how you cut and cook Hamachi Tiradito, which is basically yellowtail sashimi, with your Yanagiba, the sashimi knife.